Various warning messages and indicators can be displayed on the header bar of the 6100. The header bar area consists of the topmost portion of the 6100 display. The date and time is shown on the upper right portion. The date and time is set automatically using GPS. If the system is unable to obtain the date and time from GPS, such as if you are inside of a garage or structure, it will automatically then try to set the date and time by using the cellular network. In addition to date and time, depending on how your truck is configured, various icons may appear within the top header bar area. An icon indicating the body is up may be visible on the right side of the header bar. If your truck is equipped with precise MRM, you may notice an icon indicating connectivity or connectivity problems when the vehicle is in an area with poor reception, such as a garage or a barn. Within the top header bar area, messages such as plow float active may appear in yellow. Warnings such as body up, oil level, oil temp, low filter bypass will appear in red. The red indicates warnings of a more serious nature opposed to the yellow messages that may be part of normal operation. If several warnings and/or messages are active simultaneously, the header bar will cycle through them. Red warning messages, such as oil level, will be logged within the system's onboard error menu log. Yellow messages, because they are often part of typical operation, will not be logged or recorded. Depending on how your truck is configured, some warnings may have an audible alarm associated with them. This may be a continuous tone, a single beep, or chirp or continuous beeping. Depending on the settings, you may be able to adjust the volumes of these. However, it is not possible to silence or mute them with the header bar indicator still active. The header bar warnings will be visible regardless of the spreader status. The warnings will remain visible regardless of the spreader switch position, or even if the engine is running. The header bar warnings cannot be dismissed or hidden. The only way to remove the header bar warnings or messages is to resolve the condition, such as cooling the oil temp to suppress the oil temp warning message. To review, header bar messages are yellow and warnings are displayed in red text. Warnings will be logged within the onboard error log. The messages will be displayed regardless what mode of operation or screen you are in. Messages and warnings cannot be dismissed or muted, and the only way to remove them is to resolve the error condition.